Well guys, we're going to start with a huge happy new year to our in-car entertainment family. Welcome to 2020. This year is going to see some hopefully real big things for Audio Direct, but we'll keep it under wraps for now, even though the wrapping paper's been pulled off the Christmas presents under the tree, if you were lucky enough to have them. But just wanted to say a genuine happy new year to all of our customers, and we start off the year, even though it's the 5th, we've already been busy at work and our premiere service is rolling out yet again. And here we have a bit of a beast, not just me the driver, but the F-150 Raptor. Absolutely monstrous machine, love these things. Got an F-150 myself, and apart from the dated head unit on this thing's a bit of an animal, but don't worry, Audio Direct's going to be taking care of that as we install the Tesla screen on this thing. And you want to check out the camera that we've got for this, 180 degrees UHD. This thing, it will blow you away. The camera is just that good, and the screens that we've got fitting into this, the Tesla, they've got CarPlay built in, so you're gonna really enjoy this build, and the owner's gonna enjoy his new vehicle. Audio Direct people, happy new year. Let's get cracking.